1969 Mach 1 sports roof is arguably one of the most beautiful Mustangs ever produced. This vehicle was optioned from factory with a 428 or 7 litre V8 engine, a 4-speed close ratio transmission, Traction-Lok differential, power front disc brakes and complete tinted glass. Detroit muscle at its finest and most collectible, with the performance sting to match. This vocal 69 428 Cobra Jet Mach 1 Mustang is one of the finest we've ever seen. There really isn't another like it in the country.